All right, guys, here we go. Fixing to be the best week of the rut, in my opinion, and a lot of people's opinion, okay? And I am in Plymouth, Massachusetts. And first day out, look and find just insane amount of buck sign, big buck sign. Which obviously I'm used to hunting southern deer, so these northern deer are a lot bigger, especially this far north. So we'll see what happens. But I'm sitting right over top of a scrape. The buck sign right here is insane. The everywhere around me, they're just rubs all over. So we'll see.